야, 넘버 정말라. 공모대라 다 제모치조 작은이 있어서도 안 됐어라. 다 답정나 저는 치자오지. 야, 저 너무 쳐. 소인 전수 너무 넣으셨다. 어디 자오르지? 다 돌고야 비디오지 좀 삼순데. 로또 파세. 다 남자는 안돼. 주위 좀 나대네. 그래서 그런데 저거요. 위주 저거요. 또 공파 지도대원 저 조자들은 약간 안 된다. 올라올때 봐보자. 올라올때 보자. 아니 바게냐 건 되는다. 돌공인디 인지게 돈이 깨져 있을 거 전서 가스는 선이 너니. 저 전당에 위치에 비질란서 제가 비질라면 배트지고요 저스다. 다 배트 맞는 이 로보인. 가르치는람나 진짜 롱발라 데도 다 배트 때지 제나베 리라오면도 배트지 앞에 레가다다 두조다 텐데 배트고도 깔고 보셔도 어디지는 리라오면도 다 어딘데 다녀서나라 마덴 기체도 쉬고 다 유튜브 버지도 리라오면도 다 유튜브 제라 그래서 그래 kalima jagodo kalima jemna myoje marish tande dichi semo video zo kono kono nyamo zo yo mara de kadan dogo tande oh yeah that tashi dele every one I made YouTube videos a few days ago, I think 4 days ago. I have been start making videos because it's Tibetan society in exile, not inside Tibet, but outside Tibet. Tibetans, they started the YouTube videos. I think it's a few years ago. Now, in more and more. In India, Nepal, also here in France, United States, Canada also I saw. So around the world, the Tibetans, they are making YouTube videos. I think it's good idea for me because I like to do activities on social media and also like like the YouTubes because I like also things are like news start things I am, let's say, I'm a big fan of to do these things and also I'm always saying that the Facebook, YouTube and any other like Instagram, these social medias, the platforms are, when we use the right way, when we use good way, a great opportunity in this century. I think 500 years ago, nobody knows to do these amazing, unbelievable things. For example, these days where you live, it doesn't matter. You have good things, you have great things, you can share whole world not only yourself or like small community, not like that right now. You can share great knowledges, you have good things you can share for others. This is also, I think, in Buddhism, it's a great dedication. We just stay on the temple and we pray like, oh, I share horse and champagne. It's just imagination. But right now you can share reality through social media. 500 years ago, nobody knows. If you have good things, you can keep around your society. Like, for example, where I born in my place, it's called Ngava. It's a small place. So there are very great things, very great knowledges they can share around Ngava. You cannot share like everywhere, the 500 years ago. But now we have a great opportunity to share all these things through social media. Also, it's dangerous because if you use the wrong way, But hopefully we can use the right way and hopefully in the help for others. That's all about what I'm thinking, what I'm making videos. I made 3 videos already in my YouTube channel. This is about like how to do meditation for daily life, what kind of the faith, because faith is one basic practice all Buddhism. So that's why I made a little short videos. But tonight I am making a video for my next teaching. Normally, reality I like very much to teach for others. It's not because I don't know something and then I try to share. No, I have been learned for 30 years. For 30 years I have been learned inside Tibet, outside Tibet, about let's say like a philosophy and also how to meditation, what kind of problems coming, when we meditate. All these things we have been learned. I have been learned for 30 years. So sometimes life is difficult because when you move from east to the west, so totally life is like different, because here in the west you have you have a lot of plans. Life settle, like let's say settle here in the west. It's not easy, really not easy, because for me, I have never been school. I don't have any knowledge, modern knowledge. I have never been, I don't have any modern education because I have never been to school. When I was very young, a very small child, then my family, my grandparents, they joined the monastery, so I don't have any basic modern knowledges. That's why here in the West, sometimes life is very difficult. I like to teach what I learned in my life, but also it's not easy because here you need to, that things are not very easy, as if you are living here in the West, how to manage things like, a lot of things. And also, for example, right now I'm making a video. This is like 1 o'clock night, middle night, let's say. So, because during day I have to work. I'm working, I have to work. That's all about it. Because I'm also telling here, it's kind quite a long time ago I did not teaching, but every day I feel, oh, I would like to some teaching, to do. When I was a monastery, I also was teaching a long time. There are people they knows very well. In the monastery, they also become a geshe already. I have been teaching a long time at the monastery also, like 5 years or 6 years like that. But I feel I would like to teach, as much as I can, because I learned a lot of these things for develop ourselves, meditation, sutra, tantra, dzogchen, all these things I have been learning more than 30 years. So that's all about I would like to share. And also I already mentioned that the social media, internet, let's say internet is a great opportunity. So I'm going to teaching by online next Monday, not I think in May 4th or 5th, I think. So 2 hours I'm going to teaching, and I'm going to also teaching Dzogchen. Simply, there are a lot of Dzogchen teachers, but I'm going to I would like to share that some kind of essential practices of Dzogchen, especially of Shanzhong Ninjut, it's a great to share with people. And please, if you are interested to listen in some teachings, you can join me in Sunday of Sunday evening time in France time. So that's why I'm making video tonight. And I'm going to make teachings more and more, because that is I think it's part of my life, or my life is part of. I don't know how I'm going to say, but it is very, very important for me, because people want to listen in some teachings. They have they're very interested to listen in teachings. So I'm ready to teaching more and more. That's why I'm making a video, and we were going to put the link of Zoom also, so you can get the Zoom link. We were going to meet in Zoom. Okay, that is why I made a video. And thank you very much for people who are watching the video, and see you on Sunday.